that? Because you got a lot of companies who, as both of our data sets showed, yours a little more extensive. People are kind of in that scaling mode.
Yeah.
Who on your team or who on your community members' teams are you seeing involved in doing the things that you just described? And what kinds of skills are you encouraging your members to help their teams acquire to be able to operate in that world?
Yeah, that's such a good question and a challenge that I've talked to multiple organizations about this. And in fact, I talked to a health tech company a few weeks ago that was dealing with this exact problem, and they were struggling with who on the team actually implements this stuff. And sometimes it was, is it ops, is it rev ops, is it sales ops, marketing ops, is it demand gen, is it growth marketing? It depends on the size of the organization. The answers are kind of far-reaching, but what I'm finding is there has to be at least one or two internal champions, and it doesn't matter the function. Like, my role is demand generation. I'm responsible for new member acquisition. I'm also a nerd, and I love this stuff. I've been building CRMs and I've been building in CRMs and building marketing automation solutions for like my entire career, and I just love the getting in the weeds part of it. So naturally, I was drawn towards AI, and I've been this just constant beating drum about, hey guys, let's implement it. Let's go. Sometimes to a fault though, because like I mentioned earlier, there's this excitement phase in 2023 where everybody was just like, let's try to AI everything. And now I've sort of leveled back. Okay, let's focus on the key use cases. But I think what we're finding, and I'm finding this in the AI channel, there's got to be a champion. I've seen CROs be champions. I've seen VP of sales be champions. But you've got to find that person in the organization that wants to be, we'll call it like the AI czar, for lack of a better word, that's going to really push other people on the team to start to adopt this and incorporate it. And I'm personally working with our VP of Insights, Tom Andrews, on and he's on like the other side of the business, the operational side of the business, basically building out all our back end processes for member engagement, all that stuff. And he is like the champion on that side, and I'm the champion on the pre-sales side. And then we're coming together to create this like central sort of AI hub within Pavilion. But yeah, the roles are kind of far reaching when it comes to AI adoption, but you got to find that champion and then assign them, hey, this is your creed. Like, your creed is to get this organization to the 21st century. And what I'm finding when I say 21st century, wow, should I just say 2025? It's 25 years in. But that's one thing. And then I'm also seeing a rise in what we'll call AI builders or AI GTM ops. Like this, I've seen some of these job titles start to pop up, and there's some companies out there that are essentially outsourcing talent in this space where they have AI builders, and you can have them come into your organization and build for you. There's a lot of talent marketplaces that are starting to incorporate these types of roles. So that's also another opportunity, is if you don't have an internal champion, getting your feet wet, at least with somebody that's a professional builder and can kind of identify the opportunities and use cases. That's another thing that I'm seeing.
Wow, that was awesome, Josh. And